You rub it like a cloth. Strain it off. See it, guys? Then, right before you put in the rice, you're gonna add some butter. I'm using the Anchor unsalted butter, right? Then you add your rice. Then you stir. This is the good old pork, right? Remember, I'm doing barbecue pork. I season the pork from overnight to allow it to marinate, right? All right. So I have gone ahead and put file paper over the baking sheet. And I'm going to spray it with some Spam, right? You do that to make sure it don't stick down on the baking sheet. And we're going to take it out and spread it, put it on the baking sheet here. So meat season good. Watch seasoning. Watch natural seasoning. Watch Jamaican scallion, onion and thyme and hot pepper. Lord jeez. You guys might say, Tanisha, how you cooking so much food? Remember I told you that my workmen are here. You're fixing our fence and correcting the lawn and the landscaping. So you know we are Jamaican, we're not stingy on food. If you come our yard, we have to feed you, right? And I have also invited over my neighbor and her son, since she don't have any light or anything up there, so I invite her over for dinner. So we have to share the food, all right? We're going to take the pork now and we're going to put the pork in the oven. Rice done, pork almost finished. So now we're going to make the barbecue sauce to go on the pork. So we are going to use the Kraft original barbecue sauce. And you know, we have to jazz it up. So I'm going to add some pineapple juice, some orange juice, and the good old Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, right? So we're going to add the pineapple juice. Then we're adding some orange juice. Then we're going to put some barbecue sauce. And we just add a little pepper for flavor, right? And then you stir.